Artificial intelligence can be described as the theory and development of computer systems that are able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Examples of this can be Siri, Alexa, and even Cortana. In the history of artificial intelligence, many significant events have occurred, such as Eliza being created in 1966. This was the first text-responsive AI and the direct ancestor of Alexa. Also, self-driving cars were created not too long ago in 2018, run by autonomous AI. Regarding the research of artificial intelligence, there are many creators and contributors, such as Sebastian Thrun, which is one of the leading minds on self-driving cars, and even John McCarthy, who created the term of artificial intelligence.
One of the areas of computer science is database system. A database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. There are numerous types of database systems, all of which have their advantages and disadvantages. A database management system is a software that handles the storage, retrieval, and updating of data in a computer system. Data administrators utilize specialized software to store and organize data and make sure that the data are available to users and secure from unauthorized access. Data administrators typically do the following. They ensure that organized data are secure, back up and restore data to prevent data loss, identify user needs to create and administer databases, make and test modifications to database structure when needed, and merge all databases into one. There are over 120,000 jobs available in 2018 according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Data administrators need at least a bachelor's degree in computer science for most entry-level positions. Data administrators have good analytical skills, communication skills, and problem-solving skills, and they are detail-oriented. The median annual wage for database administrators was over $9,000 in May of this year. There are multiple research opportunities for data administrators. This is a few I've listed so far.
What is a programming language? Well, a programming language is the way top programmers for large companies like Google or freshman students in an intro to coding class communicate with computers. The main use for a programming language is to have a computer understand and utilize large amounts of information. One quality of programming languages is that there are multiple different ways for humans to communicate with computers. So many, in fact, that I'm only going to list 3 here. The most recognizable ones being Python, Ruby, and Java. You might be able to recognize where some of these languages are used. For instance, Python is used for Google, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and Dropbox, while Java is used for eBay, and Ruby has been used to make sites like Amazon, Twitter, and Groupon. One of the best known occupations that uses programming languages are computer programmers. And these are people who write and test code just to see if the computer applications or software programs are working properly, everything is running smoothly, and checking to see if there's any error code that they can fix. Now, the median pay of 2018 that programmers usually made was $84,280 per year, 52 cents per hour. And the entry-level education to become a computer programmer is a bachelor's degree. There's no real work experience in a related occupation necessary. They do not have on-the-job training, but the number of jobs in 2018 was about 250,300 jobs.
Hello, my name is Nima Badger and I will be doing software engineering. Software engineers are programmers that use engineering methods to develop programs and operating data for computers. There are many different types of software engineering jobs, such as embedded and application, front-end, infrastructure and cloud, machine learning and data science, test and quality assurance, and mobile. Of these jobs, front-end is the most sought-after job for software engineers, leaving embedded and application and machine learning and data science jobs needing more workers. Most software engineering jobs require people to have at least a bachelor's degree in computer science. In the past decade, software engineering has grown immensely and will continue to grow. From 2018 to 2028, there will be a projected growth of 21% in jobs. The average salary of a software engineer ranges from $71,000 to $145,000 a year.
A computer visions and graphics engineer uses visions and graphics to help a computer learn with image processing. They also make 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional images, so you can either go into them separately or together. If you go into these fields separately, you can use graphics for different media things like selling stuff to people or movies or animation. Also, you can use it for video game development. Computer vision is to help with facial recognition and image searching. Some phones even use facial recognition, or governments that use it. There aren't many places around here that use vision and graphics for anything, but there are a lot out in California that use it. Some that hire both visions and graphics, or just visions, or just graphics. Their company.
Human-computer interaction. Human-computer interaction is a multidisciplinary field of study focusing on the design of computer technology. Examples include virtual reality, 3D printing, the Dexmo exoskeleton, and things that we all know like the Wii and mice that go to your computer. Important dates include 1968, Ivan Sutherland created the first virtual reality headset. In 1984, Dr. Kodama created the first 3D printing machine. And in 2006, the Nintendo company came out with the first Wii, which is actually one of the first iterations of virtual reality that we know today. In terms of the hand movement tracking device that Wii came out with, creators and contributors include Tom Cranston, Fred Longstaff, and Kenyon Taylor, who all created the first trackball mouse. Ivan Sutherland, who created the first VR headset. Ralph Bjarkenart created the first gaming joystick in 1967. And Steve Mann, who created the first smartwatch powered by Linux in 1998. Human-computer interaction is around us every day today, and we don't even notice it. While using this microphone, this mouse, this keyboard, this monitor that I'm using actually, they're all iterations of human-computer interaction, and without these past contributors that helped build up this field of study, this wouldn't be possible.
Hello, I'm Jacinta Rendell, and I decided to do my section of the PowerPoint on cybersecurity. Now you're wondering, what is cybersecurity? Basically, cybersecurity is an area of computer science that focuses on protecting computers from theft or damage. There are mainly 5 types of cybersecurity: critical information security, application security, network security, cloud security, and Internet of Things security. Each of these pertain to something different. Critical information security relates to things that are integral to our society operated by computers. Application security is about protecting software on a computer, be it encryption, firewalls, or antivirus programs. There's also network security, which stops unauthorized use of your internal network. There's cloud security, which is about protecting data located in the cloud. Surprisingly, storing data in the cloud is safer than just on your computer. And finally, there are Internet of Things, or IoT, security for appliances that are connected to the internet, like refrigerators or cameras. To get a job in cybersecurity, you'll need to have a bachelor's degree in engineering. The number of jobs related to cybersecurity is expected to grow since more technology is connected to the internet, and that technology needs to be protected. It seems very profitable to work in cybersecurity, as the average salary ranges from $76K to $133K here in Mobile.